Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a little how do people use the Google Sheet on the iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is open the application. Here I already have my applications open here. You can start the documents by clicking the plus button and just creating the name of the file. And after you finish, you just need to click create. But now I already preparing the documents for you all. So let's scroll into the upper side. So working with spreadsheets mean you will working with this type of system. You will work in a rows and column system, and you can also combining the data. Either the data is a numeric or non-numeric. From this Google spreadsheet, from this information, you can convert this non-numeric and numeric data into the chart to make you easier to compare and present into your client. And working in Google spreadsheet is working automatically by system, since the Google spreadsheet already provide many formulas for you. You just need to go by clicking the cells, and after that go into the pencil button, and please take a look on this FX sign. This means formula, so you can choose which formula that you want to have here. For example, you want to have a formula for a financial. You can just click financial and looking for what formula that you want to have. Okay, if you want to have a date, you just go back and go in the date sections and choose what formula that you want to choose. And after you finish choosing the formula, you just need to follow the instructions that already given by the Google spreadsheet. And after you finish, you just need to click done, as well as the document, and your document will be automatically saved. You just can go back by clicking this, and you're done. That's all the way how people use the Google spreadsheet on their iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.